To post a story on TikTok, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to post a story on TikTok. Now, if you are a TikTok user and you just want to post the story of streak or anything you want to post it, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. The first step is that you just need to make sure that you have already installed the TikTok app on a device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the TikTok app, and after opening the TikTok app, you just need to tap on the option of profile at the very bottom right. So after tapping on the option of profile at the very bottom right, here you will see the option of various things like the draft which you have and the videos which you have posted. And at the very upside, you will see a small blue plus like icon. So that is the option of posting a story. So tap on it, and you just need to select the story which you want to post. So let's say if I want to post this story, then I'll simply tap on it, and from here I'll simply select the story which I want to post or the photo which I want to post, and click on the option of your story at the very bottom of the screen. And after a few seconds, if you check on it and click on the option of your profile icon, then your story will be posted in a very easy. So that's it. That's how you can post a story on TikTok. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.